Thanks, Chef Daisley and Christy. I am so excited to take this asparagus ice cream that you guys just whipped up and see what people think. But here's the trick. We're not gonna tell them it's made out of asparagus. Let's see if they can figure it out. All right, you two, do you enjoy ice cream?
Yes.
Of course, love ice cream.
Who doesn't love ice cream, right? Well, I have a particular flavor here of ice cream that I want you to try. I'm not gonna tell you what it is because I wanna see if you can guess it. First off, is it good?
Very good.
Ooh, that's a good guess.
Celery?
That's a good guess.
Cool crispness of like a cucumber, but then it has like some like similar to like vanilla. Spinach.
That's a good guess.
No. Relish.
Okay, what do you think?
A mild pepper.
Okay, very good. You guys are kind of on the right trajectory.
Like asparagus.
Asparagus
That
ice
was gonna
cream.
be my guess, I swear to God.
Asparagus.
Oh.
Is that what you would have expected from an asparagus ice cream?
No,
Not at all. It's very sweet. It tastes great.
I'm eating it still.
I'm glad
That's
it's
a good sign, right?
Yes, it is. Now, if I would have asked you, hey, would you guys like to try asparagus ice cream?
No, I won't. But this is good.
And you're still eating it.
I missed it.
So there you go.